I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to Klarna for payments is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Klarna account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the account section and select payment method. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 4. Add a new credit card. Click on Add Credit Card and fill in your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your information, tap Save to finalize the addition of your credit card. You should see a confirmation message if it was successful. If you encounter issues, ensure that your card is not expired and that you're re-entering the correct billing address. I hope this helps you set up your payments with Klarna. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.